Hello beautiful glam fam, glam everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we have a Fashionnova try on haul and it's a little bit of everything, and I really love this haul. I also did some different editing, changing up the vibes a little bit, making, you know, just a little something different. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Watch the whole thing. Links to everything will be in the description. And I love you. Stay glam. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. We do everything here. So let's get into the video. Thank you for watching. Stinking pretty, so goddess-like. I love it. So we have a beautiful little open situation here with this wrap detailing here and here, and then this is also really stretchy, so it clings to the arms. It gives that like really romantic bubble sleeve effect, and it also has a nice open kind of back look as well. We didn't finish getting the zipper up, but you can see that it has a nice little open back. And it also has some nice detailing along the waist to kind of cinch you in. Really comfortable pleated long maxi skirt. And the lining is really nice. So a lot of times with dresses like this, the lining is really short. This one is really long, super comfortable, super stretchy and opaque. So you're completely covered. Just the most beautiful dress that you could wear to like a garden wedding or a beach wedding. Makes me kind of sad because it reminds me of like brunch and being out in the spring. Is just like super spring goddess vibes. So it isn't stretchy, but definitely runs true to size. And of course, because this part is very flowy, you don't have to worry too much about that. So I love this. So pretty. I love that it's kind of like clouds and tie-dye and like cotton candy. So pretty. So I love this. So this next piece I absolutely adore. Giving me like Valentine's Day vibes, but you know what, we're in quarantine, so every night is Valentine's. And by that I mean wine and chocolates. Anyway, no, I really like this dress though. I love the mesh. So it's similar to the black one, but this one obviously is strapless, and it's like a really pretty raspberry wine shade, which I love, like a burgundy. And I love the detailing right here that gives the illusion of like a faux bustier, which you guys know I love those kinds of pieces. Just very feminine, sexy, girly, all that good stuff. And I love the ruching, and it is double like layered, so you have like the mesh with the wine colored fabric underneath. And for me, I feel like you don't need shapewear with this. It really hugs the body nicely. That ruching detail, again, I personally love it. I don't feel like you need shapewear with this. This also comes with clear straps. So if you need the strap to kind of give you more support, it does come with adjustable straps. So this is how it looks without, with, so you guys can see the difference if you need a little extra support. It also doesn't have any zippers, any buttons, anything like that. So this is what it looks like in the back. Like I said, you don't need any, it doesn't have any buttons or zippers or anything. Really nice and stretchy. Perfect length. I feel like it makes me look like I lost like 5 pounds. Am I crazy? Anyway, I love it. Super comfortable. Okay guys, this next dress, you guys know, super classic Gab vibes. I love it. So we have this ruching design down the arms and down the sides, down the front, which again helps camouflage things. Also makes the waist look super tiny. And I love the crisscross off the shoulder detail. Sexy without being too revealing, because you get a little neck action. And it's a long sleeve, again, perfect length as well, right over the knee, which is perfect. And I love the black mesh with the nude underneath. It's just like the sexiest, perfect, like date night dress. I am obsessed. Next dress is a little too short, you can see, so I don't want to show too much, but it's a really nice like olive sweater dress, and it's pretty thick and it's comfortable. Again, it's like a sweatshirt material. This one is a little bit of a thicker sweatshirt material, but again, very, very cozy crew neck. Obviously, it's my vibes because it's leopard print. I feel like saying, hey, cool cats and kittens. That was actually a really good impression. Put me down. I do impressions. Anyway, the bottoms are a little tight for me, so I'm not going to turn around because they're a little bit too low. So my booty don't fit all the way. So the bottoms are a little bit too tight. So I would size up maybe, but the material is pretty comfortable. I feel like it will stretch. It does already have some stretch, and it's just super cozy and cute. Who says lounging around has to be ugly? I don't think they say that. I'm sorry. Anyway, really, really like this. Super cute and cozy. Yeah, I'm here for it. I forgot, what's the name? Anyway, the links will be down below. Love. First of all, the length is perfect. You guys know I like dresses that go like after the knee, so that you don't have any problems in the back with anything showing. You can dance all night and not worry about anything coming up, so I love that. And the material of this dress is so comfortable. It literally feels like a t-shirt. It's really, really soft, super, super thin, comfortable, perfect for the summer. You know, if by chance we get to go out again, we can wear something like this to go out. I could definitely see myself again wearing this like Miami vibes, although right now Miami is too lit, but you guys know what I'm saying. I love, love, love it. Of course, you know, the snake print. I love animal print. And I love the nude black white combo. And then the one shoulder vibe is so sexy, so much fun. I just really like it. So nothing bad to say about this. It's perfect. It's so comfortable. And I think the print also like camouflages, so you don't need too much what do you call that, shapewear or anything like that. I mean, if you want, you know, that's your life, but I like to breathe. Personally, I like to breathe. So yeah, love this dress. It's so comfortable. I'm feeling it. I'm gonna pretend that I'm in Miami at home. So this piece is a really, really cute loungewear set that I am loving. First of all, I love the color blocking. It's super cozy. I got 3X because, you know, I need it for the bottom. So the top is a little big on me, but I love it. It's so cozy. And I love the colors. You know, it's the tone. My necklace is also from Fashionnova, guys. But yeah, I love this. It's so comfortable. It's super stretchy. I feel like even my husband could wear this. It's super cute. I love, love, love it. You can make it a lot longer if you need to. You can see how long it gets. So really, really cozy. I love this. So comfortable. Perfect